Hi guys, so welcome to another tutorial on CS384. This time we are going to see escape sequences. So what do actually escape sequence mean? So we will directly see an example. One of them you already know. Actually the same rules that are there in C also apply in Python actually. So if you see here, I have a text called twinkle twinkle little star and there is a slash n here. Okay, so slash n, it means a special character, anything which is preceded by a backslash, right? Now, why this is called a backslash? Because it is tilted towards the back, right? So if you assume like a reclining chair, this is towards the back, hence it's called a backslash. So backslash, whenever the interpreter encounters, even in C or in Python, it treats the next as a special character. So let us check the output one by one, and then we will see what are the explanations. Okay. I think this breakpoint, just let me remove. Okay. So when I run this code, I will have some few outputs. So first I will tell you what actually happens. Slash n is a carrier for new line. Okay. So this same as C only, twinkle twinkle, you will have a new line and the little star will come on the next line, of course preceding a space. Then for example, let's say in Python you define the strings in double quotes or a single quotes, right? Both are okay. But what if you wanted to actually print a double quote in the character, right? So for that again we use the escape sequence. So what I do, I write twinkle twinkle little star. So I put a backslash and then put the quote sign, and again I put a backslash and put a quote sign. Similarly, same thing happens for the single quote also, and then you have a tab character. So for tab character you have slash t, t for tab and slash t. So what will happen? A single space followed by a tab space. Okay, so let us check the output for this, and let me write some nice printfs also. So I will have here print, sorry, I will have print new line is slash slash n. Now you will ask why slash n? Because if I give only slash n, it will just print on the new line, it will not print this. Because I want to show what is the use of slash n, I will use this. So now let me have some nice printf quotes. Okay, this can be same. Let us keep this as single quotes. Then let us have the tab character. And we have a backspace character also. So what does the backspace key do on the keyboard? It erases one character on the left hand side. Backspace character is slash b. So let me just run the code. Let me clear the terminal first. Okay, end of line, which is the line number 6. Oh, sorry. So this was the quote here and I had to end the quote, right? So this backslash is for this particular quote and hence the error was there. Same for single also. Okay, fine enough. It's good to make mistakes actually, then we also realize. Okay, so we will go line by line. So new line is double slash n. So when I give, see, new line is single slash is treated by a Python interpreter as a special character. So when I put double single slash, basically it means that it will print only a single slash, because the first backslash is treated as a special character. Okay, so it thought that okay, the following backslash, so see, this means a special character. Okay, so the interpreter knows now, okay, what follows this is something special. So it says, oh, slash is a special thing, so I will print slash as it is, and then it prints n, right? So when I have twinkle twinkle little star, I have a slash n here. So as I said, whenever the interpreter sees a slash, it says that okay, the next character following the first backslash is a special character. So the first character followed by the backslash is n, so this is a special character, so it becomes a new line. So you can see twinkle twinkle and little star, right? This is the space that is adjusted here, you can see. Okay, it prints the space also. Then I'm printing quotes. As I said, backslash followed by the character becomes a special character. So you can see in the print, this quote ends at this point, but this double quote basically is exactly printed on the screen. Quote is this, right? So if I want to print twinkle, twinkle, little star, and I want to put little in quotes, I just do backslash, double quote, backslash, double quote. Exactly same thing happens for the single quote. Just instead of double quotes, I am using single quotes. Then we have a tab character. So what happens in tab? For example, if you have used Excel, you use tab to navigate between the cells. Okay. So now just see the spacing, twinkle, twinkle, and okay, let me take one thing. Let me just copy the entire line and give a space here so that you can see the difference between the two. Okay, CLS. So you can see these are the two lines. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. This is a normal space, single space. The moment I give slash t, I get a tab kind of space. See, this is a tab character. Right? So when I'm typing like CS tab, okay, it's auto completing. So let me type JOK. And when I press tab, okay, it's not visible because of the background. So Python will give a tab space between these two words. Finally, we have a backspace character, right? The keyboard has a backspace key. What it does, the moment you press a backspace key, the place where your cursor is, it will move, it will erase one character, not word, one character. So in this case, what will happen? You have twinkle and slash b. So what will slash b do? It will erase the character e here. Okay. Similarly, from star, the character r will be erased because it's a slash b, right? Okay, so let us execute this. So you are on this, so you can see this is the twinkle and this is the twinkle here, e is erased. You can also keep it in between also. So I am having TWIN. So you can see TWIN. Okay. Now you will say why, if you see this portion, twinkle, twinkle, little star, there is a slash b here. Okay. So, but star is printed as a whole character, right? Technically, the R should have been erased. But why did not it erase? Because see, when I remove slash B, this is the end of the string, right? I am ending the quotes here. This is the end of the string. So Python uses a special character, end of line or end of string, towards the end. Remember slash 0 in C, right? In C, we had an invisible slash 0 towards the end. And hence, same thing happens in Python. There is an invisible character that specifies the end of string. So when I say slash b at the end, basically it is erasing the end of character, and hence the complete star actually prints out. So that's it. So I think this slash b is rarely used, right? One application I could say that, for example, if you're asking someone to enter, let's say his name, full name. Okay, so let's say they type as Ramesh Kumar and they may give a full stop towards the end, right? So you can just check if the string contains a dot in the end, you can use a slash b to display the names without the dot. That's it. So these are the tutorial on some escape character. Mostly we use slash t, this quotes and slash n of course is very widely used. That's it. Thank you for watching.